Let me show you how to mine ARXON-P ARX token, right? So you mine ARX-P, that's ARX points, and then you earn ARX tokens. Join thousands of miners earning ARX-P points daily. Complete tasks with reference and climb the leaderboard, right? So there is a countdown timer here. What is it for? Well, without any further ado, let's click on start mining now. So you have the option to sign in or sign up. Since I do not have an account already, I'll toggle over by clicking on sign up. So here you have to provide your email address, the password, the referral code. Though it's optional, I would like to beg with you to use my referral code. If you use my link, my code will be automatically imputed here, right? Then you click on create account. I'm going to look for my friend's code and impute here. I would want to sign up with the space blank. All right, so I've signed in, and welcome to ARXON Points Mining. Let's check in. All right, so I've checked in and I've got 6 ARX-P. Let's click on start mining. Start mining. So after the countdown timer is out, I can enter a new mining session. Here are tasks. So you have social media task here. Paste your exposed links to earn 50 ARX-P. That's cool. So follow the official Twitter page here. Okay, claim is automatic. Join Discord. Accept invite. Let's verify. Check this box. Click on start verification when it brings you back here. Verify yourself to gain access. Please select the plane on the menu below. Click on this arrow here. You go through the options, and option 6 is the plane for me. And it says verified successfully. Those posts you made, copy their links and submit here to claim 50 ARX. Post not qualified, please connect your X account first. I've done that. Maybe I'll try again later. These are some of the quests, guys. You might want to look this project up, explore it to the best of your ability, right? This is just a review, summary, and an introduction. I wouldn't want to waste all your time. So, and what to do is I'm responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.